here's a look at the front yard. And the Chinese pistachio really took some nice fall color this year. Well, it's all yellow. Sometimes it's red and purple, but this year it's just yellow. Oh, a little branch of green right there still. But the other crepe myrtle in the front yard here just dropped all of its leaves, and it hardly turned red. This is a red rocket crepe myrtle, and it has these deep red flowers in the summer. And its nursery selling point was that it has more of the exfoliating bark when it's younger, that it's a multi-trunked, and that it was hybridized. The hybridized color red is supposed to not bleed out in the hot desert sun, and it doesn't for the most part. It stays red until the very end of the flower's life. But yeah, this one's not much to write home about in the fall. But the Chinese pistachio really is this year. It's a male tree, so that's why it has its the kind of nicer shape as opposed to the neighbor's tree over there. It's kind of whatever. But the neighbor's tree, it's a Chinese pistachio, but that one is that's a female. Males don't have the fruits, so a little less cleanup to do. But and then there's the that's in the neighbor's yard, but that's the Toyon that I saved. They used to have a eucalyptus tree right next to it, and when the tree trimmers took out the eucalyptus tree, they almost took that out, and I petitioned to save it. You know, the berries are pretty. I like to take the berries in the fall and like add them to the Christmas wreath. You know, and then in the summer it has these white flowers. That's multi-trunked too. And there's the little olive tree, but whatever. Olives. I never liked olives. Ooh, this one's blooming too, the Erica, but it's a little out of season for the Erica. They don't usually bloom in, well, I guess they bloom in December. I always seem to remember it being more of a February flower. Or January, February flower, but whatever. And next to it is a false heather, but those don't bloom till the summer.